We are pleased to show you the 2025 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.